Like most people in his region, due to local agricultural production, Yezid Alaya was born by chance in Montpellier in the south of France 50 years ago. From an early age, he was interested in food issues. Very early on, his father noticed his predisposition for hydraulic sciences, and his mother introduced him to the arts of fashion and the world of beauty. So it was only natural that Yezid became a farmer, and more specifically, an organic market gardener for 17 years. In 2023, he was one of the founders of the Association L'Épicentre, whose purpose is to disseminate knowledge related to food and access to the best possible food for all. His motto is simple: eat vegetables and eat lots of them. And if you can, grow them yourself. You will surely understand that this is not so easy to produce food. So how is it that producing food for others often goes hand in hand with precariousness? In 2020, while working on the Lutin Jardin farm, he heard a little voice whispering in his ear. Hey, hey, psst, we too want to make ourselves known. And here is the result.